Hey guys, just a quick video to show the position of the connectors and the loom whenever you're trying to retrofit some Bluetooth and USB to Ford Focus. So, ready? Already taken out the 7 screws that you need to take out to get the glove box out. I've cheated a wee bit as I've already unplugged this slightly. So this is just the connector for the auxiliary port. So that's released. Then just out comes the glove box. Let's have a wee look in here. So this is the site. You'll see all these crazy wires everywhere. So question is, where would the loom be and the connectors be for the Bluetooth module and for the patch cable as well? You'll see in here, just to the side, we have some grey foam. If I reach in and peel that back, you can see, if I can get my horrible fingers out of it, here is our patch cable. This is where your audio patch cable will go. You can still see the old one that I left there, but here is the new one I plugged in. If we look further down, that is where the microphone patch cable would be. I've already got mine fitted, as I have Lux 2 with voice control, so my microphone patch cable goes there. And then if we look around here, this is where I have the connector for the Bluetooth module, which is connected there. Now, all of these connectors, you can see, would initially be wrapped up with this loom here, all nicely tied up behind some electrical tape and this grey foam. So first of all, you peel the grey foam off. You'll have to slice the electrical tape. You'll still see some remainders of it hanging about there, and basically free those connectors. And then you can go and plug everything else in. So there you go. Hopefully that helps when you're trying to work out where all these connectors are. Thanks very much.